Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For our lecturer Encik Harun Izman. My name is Nur Hafnin binti Cik Muhammad Nur. I am from HTF552. Today I would like to present about Luncheon's menu. Okay, the first is introduction. Lunch is a meal usually eaten at noon. It is usually a second course served in the day after breakfast. Meal size vary depending on the culture, and significant variation exists in different parts of the world. Lunch menu are special. It can be formal with lunch tablecloths and best flatware, or casual with paper plates and plastic forks. Okay, for the next is the types of food service in Luncheon's menu. For the first is banquet, drive-through, delivery, buffet, cafeteria, and room service. For the first is banquet. A banquet is a meal that is well prepared and greatly enjoyed. For example, is feast, party, graduation day. Okay, for the two is buffet. Buffet is a drive-through. For drive-through is a drive-through is a type of service provided by a business that allow customer to purchase products without leaving their car. For the example, we go to the McD in a drive-through for buying our lunch. Okay, for the three is delivery. Delivery is an act or manner of the delivering something. For the example, we use an application Food Panda to buy the food. Okay, for the four is buffet. The buffet is a meal set out on a buffet at which a guest help themselves meal. Okay, for the five is cafeteria. A restaurant in which patrons wait on themselves carrying their food to table from counter where it is displayed and serviced. Okay, for the lastly is room service. Room service or in-room dining in a hotel service, enabling guests to choose an item of food for delivery to their hotel room for consumption. Okay, for the criteria of Luncheon's menu is it can be a la carte or semi-a la carte. More served in American service, which are quick and efficient. Okay, for the third is Luncheon's menu has fast service as well as good food. And next is offer daily special of any food service organization. For the lastly is the item in the Luncheon's menu always required a professionally equipped kitchen. Okay, for the next slide is development process of creating the Luncheon's menu. For the one is concept, for the two is research, for the three is detail, four is design, 5 is feedback, and 6 is pricing. For the next slide is advantages and disadvantages of the lunch menu. For the advantage, for the first is long meal time. Time breaks for employers very long. For the second is the body need more energy in noon, so we need energy to make it a job. For the third is menu diversity. Have a Eastern, Western, soup, salad menu. Okay, for the fourth is the menu offered is healthy and tasty. For example, have a vegetable and rice. Okay, for the disadvantages is wasting the time. We have spending for a long time for eating our lunch. Okay, for the second is head weight. Because the menu have a high calorie. And for the lastly is the price is more expensive. Okay, for the next slide is establishment of lunches menu. For the first is McD. The menu available at McD is burger, fried chicken, and fries. Okay, for the second is chicken rice shop. The menu available at the chicken rice shop is curry laksa, Hainanese chicken rice, and other. Okay, for the third is Salad Atelier Cafe. Okay, the menu available at the Salad Atelier Cafe is chicken aglio with ataya and Greek good salad with ataka and have a winter sonada. Okay, for the last slide is conclusion. Okay, eating lunch is good for everyone. This is because our body needs energy to work. So we need to eat every day and not skip the lunch to maintain balance, so that our body can be always healthy. Okay, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you, Cik. Bye.